The Veyron's reign as the world's fastest production car is at an end, and the usurper comes from within. Yes, the 1.9 million pounds Chiron retains the Veyron's fundamental proportions and powertrain, but it's new in every other conceivable way, and built to bend physics to breaking point. Whereas the Chiron Super Sport produced a piffling 1183 bhp and 1,106 pounds-foot of torque, the Chiron develops 1479 bhp and 1,180 pounds-foot, and at a constant top speed the Chiron could drain its 100-liter fuel tank in 12 minutes. Chiron's powertrain is supersized. An improved charge air cooling system means 60,000 liters of air per minute are pumped through the engine, while the coolant pump can circulate 800 liters in the same time. According to Willie Nettishill, head of engineering, temperature management is one of the biggest problems. Engines, ride, and handling. An 8.0-liter 16-cylinder engine uses 4 turbochargers to make 1,500 horsepower and 1180 lb-ft of torque, but calling its acceleration heroic would be an understatement. Bugatti claims a to 60 mph time of just 2.3 seconds and a top speed of 261 miles per hour. Interior and technology. Bugatti Chiron's artfully designed interior is truly unique. A series of round controllers protrude from the center of the dashboard, and the gear selector lever sprouts from a small chrome circle on the center console. Materials are the definition of luxury. Bugatti says that leather from up to 16 different cows lines the seats, dash, and door panels, while real metal accents and diamond-supported speaker diaphragms take the experience to the next level.